So there was mainly two methods to change Jupyter themes. So let's see the first method. So click on right button and click on Windows PowerShell and run command pip install Jupyter themes. After running the command pip, download all the files of Jupyter themes. So as you can see, my requirements are already satisfied. So you need to run command -l. After running the command, it shows you all the available themes of Jupyter Notebook. Yes. After they click on enter, you need to refresh the page, and after refreshing, it changes the themes of the Jupyter Notebook. But you notice that some of the buttons are not visible because when you change the themes, the buttons are visible. And when you want to this themes is not good, you want the default themes, then you need to run -r means restore. After running the command, it reset all the CSS file, means cascading style sheet and font size default. And after refreshing the page, as you can see, Jupyter default themes, and you see that buttons are visible. So you want buttons are visible and theme is changed, then we need to move the next method. So next method is going to be downloading the extension of Dark Reader. If you are using Microsoft Edge, then you need to go Microsoft Edge add-on and simply download it. And if you are a Chrome browser, then search Chrome extension and go Chrome Web Store and search Dark Reader, and after the searching, simply download it. So I download the Dark Reader, and next we need to download is iAble Accessibility Assistant. So click on Get and click on Add Extensions. After installing, the main is got this page, and so we got this page, and let's make it available. As you can see, the theme of Jupyter Notebook is changed, but it's not looking good. So simply click on the Dark Reader extension and click on off, and again click on on. And you want to increase the brightness, then increase the brightness, and contrast I need to change it. So it's looking good, and also the buttons are visible. And iAble help you to reduce blue light by enabling the blue filter. So as you can see, it's looking good, and buttons are also visible. So